Repetitive fastening can take a toll on your body and your schedule. To save time and effort, builders are switching from hand-driving to quick-drive auto-feed screw-driving systems from Simpson Strong-Tie. Quik-Drive installs strips of collated screws quickly and accurately. It's perfect for decks, subfloors, fencing, and sheathing. And for large-scale jobs like crating, trailer beds, and mass timber, Quik-Drive gives everyone a boost. Look for Quik-Drive fastening systems at your local building supply center. Find out more at strongtie.com/quickdrive.